building America, USA.
Well, I'm off to building mountains, love, off to earning our meal. Well, I'm off to building mountains, love, mountains of iron and steel. Oh yeah, mountains of iron and steel.
They're an ironworking brand owned and operated by a third-generation union ironworker. All his merchandise is made in America, and his quality is second to none.
Well, I'm off to building mountains, love, off to earning our meal. Well, I'm off to building mountains, love, mountains of iron and steel. Oh yeah, mountains of iron and steel.
They are constantly coming up with new hats, shirts, even scabbards and tool holders. They also give you stickers for every time you purchase.
Well, I'm off to building mountains, love, off to earning our meal. Well, I'm off to building mountains, love, mountains of iron and steel. Oh yeah, mountains of iron and steel.
If you don't already follow them, I'll post their Facebook page and Instagram down in the description. They always post ironworker pictures that are just eye-opening. This brand is 100% for the working man, with the pride of America bleeding through their pores. They have the sickest ironworking shit out there. Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button for Building America USA. Comment down below if you have any questions, or contact Building America USA directly through one of their social media platforms. And work safe out there. Make sure to subscribe, and see you next time. Watch this video right here and this video right here. Learn something. Go build something. Union!